If you watched last Sunday's video, you'll know that I broke my old coffee mug, so this is one of the new ones that I found in the cupboard that's been my favourite because it's nice and big and I can fit a lot of coffee in it. This week's video, it's Friday, is going to be about the gym. Now, why do I want to talk about the gym? It's because I want to highlight the importance of the gym, not only for your physical condition, but for your mental condition. Now, I've been going to the gym for about 7 years. I'm 21 now. I was 14 when I started. It was about the summer, so it's 7 years that I've been at the gym. And I've picked up quite a few lessons. I actually wrote an ebook, which I'll put a link in the description. I wrote an ebook, I think it's 10 or 11 chapters about different lessons that I learned from going to the gym. But I just want to kind of highlight one aspect of it just now. And that's training the ability to control your mind. And the reason the gym is so important for this is because while you're in the midst of physical pain, you learn how to control your mind to a point where you continue to push through the pain, and then you get this sort of blissful feeling afterwards. And it's something that you can't experience from not going through difficulty. It applies to mental challenges as well, but the reason why I feel like it's so important to do it physically first is because that's the easiest challenge. You don't need to, a lot of mental challenges, you don't plan to be mentally stressed out or to have your heart broken, but you can plan to build your body and face those challenges. It's like a way of training your mind into becoming strong for these mental situations that are inevitably going to come up in life. I'm gonna have a quick sip of coffee again. So this kind of really occurred to me maybe last week. I was visiting my parents and I was doing my usual workouts that I would do all of lockdown, and I would do a really tough core exercise at the end, and I would go through the whole exercise saying I'm going to do 4 sets of 25, 100 reps total. And I'd done that on the Thursday, perfectly fine. I got through the pain. It was really sore because I don't train a lot of core, as you can kind of see. So it was really sore to get through that. I got out the other end, it was fine. I didn't stop for any of the sets. I'd done 4 sets of 25 without stopping. Painful, felt great afterwards. Then on the Friday, I'd done the same again. I was like, I'll do 4 sets of 25. So I got through the first 2 sets and that's a lot easier than it was yesterday. So I do my 3rd set, and then on the 4th set I decide I'm going to do 30 reps no matter what. And I get through between 20 and 30. It was burning like hell, but I got through the reps, and then I just kept going, and I ended up doing 60 reps. And when I finished that, it was sort of this greatest euphoric feeling that I've ever felt, because I was able to control my mind in that period of pain. And the reason why I feel like that's so important, why you need to get into the gym and experience these physical challenges, because you can control your mind to get through a certain level of excruciating pain, and you're always rewarded from that. And learning that pattern in your brain, kind of putting that together where I go through pain, I compose myself, and I get outside of pain, it teaches you that pain is a good thing. It teaches you that challenges are able to be conquered. So if you can apply that to your physical domain, why can't you apply that to your mental domain? So next time something terrible happens to you in your life, something extremely stressing happens, now you know that, okay, this is painful, but if I can control my mind, get through the pain, finish the task, do it diligently, and get out the other end, I'm going to feel unbelievable. So you apply that pattern for your entire life. Everything that happens, you apply the same pattern. Find pain, control brain, euphoric feeling. And if you keep going through that pattern, you're always going to be challenged by something, but you can actually train yourself to do that with the gym. That's why you need to get to the gym. So just a reminder, I've got an ebook, I'll put a link in the description of talking about the 10 or 11 lessons that I learned from 7 years in the gym. Hopefully you'll find that interesting, and I'll see you guys in the next video.